Hi, I'm Chef Stephen Putnam with Chartwells. Today we're going to be making flatbread pizzas. One of them's going to be a Mexican flatbread pizza and one's going to be a vegetarian flatbread pizza. Some of the items are from the Pike Red Zone food pantry, some of them are from the store. Let's get started. Now we're going to chop our onion and our pepper. Obviously you won't need to use all of it, so you can set some aside for another recipe. You can use any sauce that you'd like. Today I'm going to be using spaghetti sauce. Now you can use pizza sauce, tomato sauce, really any sauce that you like. Now we're going to assemble our vegetarian flatbread. The first thing we're going to do is take our spaghetti sauce and we're going to spread it evenly across the flatbread. Let's add our cheese, let's add our onion, our green pepper, now our diced tomato. So for our Mexican flatbread, we're going to need our enchilada sauce, our refried beans, and our canned chicken. Okay, let's assemble our Mexican flatbread. This is 350 degrees. We need to cook for about 10 minutes.
Making these flatbreads is a great way to get your kids involved in the kitchen. With all of these healthy ingredients, you can customize these flatbreads as you want and make it more of a family activity.
Here they are side by side, our two flatbread pizzas. We've got our Mexican flatbread and our vegetarian. Delicious.